Hello. Yo, what's up, babe? No, you can't come over today because, like, I gotta go to work and stuff. And yeah, you know, I can't, I still kind of say my mama, so, she don't like having girls over, really. So, yeah. You can probably come over, like, next Saturday. And I'll see you, like, because work at the same place. I'll just sometimes go over your house, babe, you know that. Because, I love you, girl. Alright, bye. He lying. He lying. I know he, like, with another girl, because he a liar. He is a liar. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Like, I got these tracks in for him. I got this by the Africans. Yes, honey, they do good hair, woman. So, yes, I know he lying. I know he lying. That's why I'm gonna call my freaking brother. I'm gonna call my brother and tell him that he lying. Actually, I ain't gonna do it because I'll probably be wrong now, but I love my boo. So, he just gets on my nerves. I know that girl probably making assumptions saying that I'm cheating on her, but I'm not. She just gets on my nerves. I need to go to work because I need to get some sleep because, gotta work tomorrow. Go to sleep though, so. I want to buddy too. I'm gonna call him. I'm gonna call him. Hello. Hello. What do you want? Well, I'm trying to go to sleep. I told you we got work tomorrow. Go. Why you always making saying I'm asleep. I'm not cheating. No, I cannot cheat on you when I'm asleep. That's why you need to go. You need to go to sleep. Bye. She gets on my nerves. I need to go to sleep. He lying. I know he cheating. He lying. But that's okay. Because I'ma get him. I'ma catch him with another woman. So, one. Bye, honey. Bye. And catch part 2.